I've got a hat full of sunshine, a pocket full of happiness. I've got a hat full of sunshine, a pocket full of happiness. A jacket made of rainbows. Professor is a snappy dresser. I got a hat full of sunshine, a pocket full of happiness.
Sunshine sipper, listening to Buzzy Beat. Why are you so bloody busy? Get from out your honey tree, unbutton your pantaloons, hitch up your dungarees, get your legs, that lovely face, I bet you've got lovely knees. And now the mysteries of life, the keys to all your worries is to keep it simplified. Don't stuff the place that you reside with too much stuff, all buried under debt, have too much love. It's a world of wonder, don't let them keep you undermined. Every day drip with joy, written bold, underlined. We the undivided, undecided and the undefined demand a sense of wonder and the sense to wonder why. Keep your work days to a minimum, bake a life as sweet as cinnamon. This is a new hat, would you like to wear it? What's the point of sunshine unless you share it?
I've got a hat full of sunshine, a pocket full of happiness. I've got a hat full of sunshine, a pocket full of happiness. A jacket made of rainbows. Professor is a snappy dresser. I got a hat full of sunshine, a pocket full of happiness.
I had a shirt made of work, it was overstarched, overcrowded head like Noah's Ark. The mind is a monkey, oh no, don't start, can't keep it together, I've grown apart. Life is a laugh when you've got the joke. Get yourself together, get on with the show. Onwards we go, on to new adventures. The best ones I've known, I can barely remember. Weave in passions, reimagine, breathe in sea air, believe in magic. This is me, you, an amazing spread, and a slice of cake as big as a baby's head. A cartoon hummingbird, edible trees, a packet of crackers, legendary cheese, a lazy afternoon, a leisurely breeze. Strap on your swimming hat, let's head for the sea.
I've got a hat full of sunshine, a pocket full of happiness. I've got a hat full of sunshine, a pocket full of happiness. A jacket made of rainbows. Professor is a snappy dresser. I got a hat full of sunshine, a pocket full of happiness. Happiness. I've got a